running session, and a new audio mixer. That's what's in store this week. Welcome to Midsomerrailway in Scale. I'm your host, Greg, and thank you for joining me. So today, yes, we've got a new audio mixer. We have a running session and we've got some brake lights. So we might start off with the new mixer. It's a Yamaha and it's ideal for streaming. It's nothing flash. It's just a simple one that I have 4 inputs and that I can use. One which is two which are 48 volts, and then some line inputs. But it's ideal for streaming. It's only small, doesn't need to be flash. It just needs to be able to pick up the 48 volt condenser mics I use. You can see the photo of it. It's quite small but very powerful, and has software to go with it. The next one we have is, as you can see, the brake lighting. This one's quite simple. It's a brake van and really tight and was hard to pull apart, but eventually I got it apart. So it's simply just a bridge rectifier, a resistor, and a red LED. So basically the bridge rectifier converts the DCC into DC, and then of course the resistor reduces the voltage down to the LED so that the LED doesn't blow up and shines nice and bright. And finally, yes, I'm a bit croaky. Finally, a running session. Now, I've taken away the audio. I'm sorry if people are disappointed in that, and just put some music in, because I was actually coughing quite heavily during the running session, so you don't want to hear me coughing in the background. So I've just put a little bit of music underneath it, and here we go. the subscribe button and then the little bell icon. And share it if you wish as well. It just helps to encourage me and to know that people are enjoying what I'm doing. I know that some of you who watch probably don't have YouTube accounts. That's fine. It would be nice if I can get a few thumbs up and a few extra subscribers to keep my encouragement going. Thanks for joining me, and until next time. Whoops, I've done it again. In one of the corners you'll find a video of last week's episode. So until next time, let's keep those model trains on the rails, and bye for now.